Welcome back to my channel. Today I will be working on this top. I also have this off the shoulder jumpsuit that I plan on attaching to the blouse. This is off shoulder, so what I'm going to do is start off by cutting out this lace fabric to attach to the top of the blouse that I just showed you. Okay, so first and first, I'm starting off by cutting out the lace out of the jumpsuit. So next up for the shoulder part that I'm adding the lace, I'm measuring down 8 inches down. Now what I'm going to do here is cut out in a slanted shape. I'm going to measure out 1 inch down, but I'm going to slant it a little bit like this because this is for the shoulder part and I don't want it to be straight. I want it to be slightly slanted. So I measured out 1 inch down. Okay, now I'm going to do 8 inch 0.5 for the including the sewing allowance. Now I'm going to cut it out. Now this will be for the front and the back. So I'm going to cut out another, as you can see, this is 2 fabrics for the front and the back, and I'm going to do the same for the other side of the shoulder. So next up, I'll be cutting this tube top. I'll be cutting it into a crop top. And by doing this, I am going to use a measurement of, I'm going to measure 10 to 11 inches. And I'm actually going to add half inches to that for the sewing allowance. So that will be 11.5. And I have my chalk right here. So I'm going to draw, put a mark in for the space that I'll be drawing a line and cutting this out of. Okay. And we also have the zipper. So this line will also be extended to the back. I'm also going to measure out 11.5 at the back. Putting a mark right there. So here we have it. Here's the new crop top that will be added to the pants. Okay. Okay, so now I'm pleating the remaining fabric that I cut out from the top. I'm creating pleats. And this part will go in front of the top. Okay. Next up, I had in the pants. You can see where I cut it. I'm heading it to the waistline of the top. Okay, starting side. Next up, I'm heading the lace fabric to the top of the top. Lastly, we're heading the sleeve to the top. Okay. Now I'm heading it under the around the edge with the sewing. All right, so the last part, opening up the back part of the pants. All right, so initially there was no zipper on this because the material is stretchy. Now I'm adding the zipper on this one because I need to get into it.